Okay, I thought I'd make a little video about making graphics for TV. So this is an example of a set where I designed it totally in Adobe software. My boss wanted some of these illuminated columns and with the city background kind of coming through. She showed me some different samples from some other kind of courtroom legal shows. She loved red, white, and blue light boxes. She wanted wood panels, an illuminated backlit logo panel for the desk. So this is what I created, and I really like how it came out. I used stock art from Getty Images for the city backgrounds and for the wood details and for the flag. For the logo, I just used to make that glow. That's just a Gaussian blur, like a white panel behind the actual logo design with a overlay. Again, some more close-up details of the set, and just a lot of Gaussian blurs to create these glows, the feeling that these are backlit elements. That's how I create the sense of glow in my mock-ups. And this is another angle of the set where we had to do like a close-up shot of the actress, and you see I'll pull in some of the same details for this to give you the sense that it's the real full set that she's on it. You can also see how many different variations of the logo we design. Some of these were designed by me and some by my colleagues that worked with me on the show. We pitch all the logos to our boss, and she kind of narrows it down, and then I'll show her some mock-ups on actual stills and help her whittle it down by giving her really clear explanations of the different changes that she's seeing along the way, especially for something like this where everything's red, white, and blue and it starts to all look the same. So you'd like to help them bushwhack through it also. And this is some of the stills from post-production as we tweaked and worked on the post-production graphics. The post-production team handles putting all my graphics into the footage, and that was Justice in America, one of my favorite sets that I ever designed. Thanks for watching. If you like it, please like and subscribe.